was deep, yeah. You always knew to wear it well, and you look so fancy, I can tell. I don't mind you hanging out and talking in your sleep. I guess you're just what I needed. Just what I needed. I needed someone to feed. I guess you're just what I needed. Just what I needed. I needed someone to plead. I don't mind you coming here and wasting all my time. 'Cause when you're standing oh so near, I kinda lose my mind, yeah. It's not the perfume that you wear, it's not the ribbons in your hair. I don't mind you coming here and wasting all my time. I guess you're just what I needed. Just what I needed. I needed someone to feed. I guess you're just what I needed. Just what I needed. I needed someone to plead. I guess you're just what I needed. Just what I needed. I needed someone to feed. I guess you're just what I needed. Just what I needed. I needed someone to plead. Yeah, yeah. So plead me. You're just what I needed. You're just what I needed. You're just what I needed. Yeah, yeah,
Oh, once upon a midnight dear, you woke with something in my head. I couldn't escape the memory of a phone call and of what you said. Like a game show contestant with a parting gift, I could not believe my eyes when I saw through the fudge of a trusted friend who needs to humor me and tell me lies. Yeah, humor me and tell me lies. And I'll lie to and say I don't mind. And as we seek, so shall we find. And when the feeling over, I'll still be here. But now without a certain degree of fear, well, what will be with you and me? I still can't see things hopefully, but yeah. Why you wanna give me a run around? Hear that you're violent, speed things up when all it does is slow me down. Shake me in my confidence about a great many things, but I've been there, I can see it. Cower like a nervous magician waiting in the wings of a bad play where the heroes are right and nobody thinks or expects too much. And Hollywood's calling for the movie rights, singing, hey baby, let's keep in touch. Hey baby, let's keep in touch. But I want more than a touch. I want you to reach me and show me all the things no one else can see. So watch out there, we combine as well. And soon if we're lucky, we'd be unable to tell what's yours and mine. The fishing's fine and it doesn't have to run. So don't you feel me alive, but yeah. Why you wanna give me a run around? Yeah, that's your violent, speed things up when all it does is slow me down. cynical, but I know no matter what the waitress brings, I should drink in and